we have landed on the moon. Where should we go next? What's up, everybody? My name is Kian, and welcome to Trader's Choice Crypto and Precious Metals, your weekly recap of both these asset classes. If you're new here, please make sure you're subscribed, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for daily crypto content. All my followers, you can ask some of them. This past week, I have kept them on the right side of this whole thing that has been happening with Bitcoin surpassing its previous all-time high. There was a lot of people speculating and calling for a Bitcoin crash because of the ETF. There's many analysts that I watched that were calling for a crash. They were saying, "Oh, I'm short Bitcoin," and guess what I told all my friends, all my followers? I said, no, we're going to get to that all-time high and we are going to surpass it. And guess what happened? We hit it and we went a little above and beyond. All right. Now we are experiencing a pullback right now, which I think is massively bullish. And I am very bullish. And I know we're going to keep going higher at least until November 4th, till we see a little bit more pullbacks and corrections. And again, if you're one of my subscribers, you know exactly why. And in honor of that August event, I am wearing my Bitcoin skull t-shirt. Big shout out to my friend She White Paper. She basically reads the white paper, which is like essentially like the business plan or the overview of the token. Anything from tokenomics to how the technology works. Those are the white papers of cryptocurrencies, and she actually narrates them, which is beautiful. So I'm going to leave a link to her work in the description below, so you make sure that you check it out. Guys, when it comes to cryptos and the crypto markets, we are headed to a massive super cycle. I am long all of my crypto positions at least until the end of the year. And I believe we are going to be hitting many all-time highs across the board as we continue this ramping up of massive mass adoption, continuing on the road towards mass adoption. That feels better. So anything from Robinhood trying to get into crypto, they just released an announcement saying that they're going to offer crypto wallets. About 1 million users signed up, which I was like, that's beautiful. That's great. Do I like Robinhood? No. You know why. If you were doing the GameStop AMC thing, you know why I think that is that was a crime. It was a crime. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. So, but whatever. I don't care about Robinhood more than I care about the massive adoption of. I can't get it today. Mass adoption, not massive adoption, but still, it is going to be a massive adoption. The mass adoption of cryptocurrencies, and we even had news like Walmart this past week. Offering Bitcoin at their Coinstars to about 200 kiosk locations from around the country. They were offering Bitcoin at their Coinstar kiosks. I remember when I was much younger, I would collect a bunch of change and, cash out and do whatever young teenagers do. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, I thought that was pretty cool too. More and more kiosks, making it more accessible for everyday retail investors to purchase Bitcoin with ease and convenience, guys. Ease and convenience. So we're going to continue. Like I said, until November 4th, I am long on Bitcoin. And I expect us to continue this upward trend. Some of the things that I've learned from Greg have applied so beautifully to the crypto markets. For example, we are not in the business of picking tops or bottoms. We must trade the trend. This is super key, and the trend is massively bullish. More and more bullish news is going to come. Expect it. And there's definitely some good altcoins to keep your eyes out. I'll give you guys one of them that I mentioned to my subscribers. Avalanche. I am bullish on Avalanche. I'll give you another one too. Polkadot as well. We want to be on the lookout for November with Polkadot. We have about a week left in October. I believe this is where we're going to see some major headway when it comes to Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance has been going straight up the past couple of weeks. And with this pullback, Bitcoin dominance has gone down, and we see some of that money flowing into some of our favorite altcoins. And yeah, so I'm excited. I'm really excited. And it's even cooler that we surpassed the all-time high. And yes, we are going to the moon. And yes, I hope you all have your bags packed, as I mentioned last week. Of course, I'm no financial advisor, and this shouldn't be taken as financial advice. This is just for your education, and I'm just sharing some of the things that I do personally with cryptocurrencies. Let's move forward to precious metals. Still undervalued, in my opinion, but this is nothing new. Silver is sitting a little above 24 as we speak. Gold is close to 1800 again. Platinum and palladium. Let's look at platinum. Platinum has gone down a little bit this week. Overall, these past 7 days. And just checking for palladium real quick. Yeah, palladium is above 2,000 per ounce. So not much has changed. The narrative remains the same, but the viewpoint also remains the same. Number one, highly undervalued, especially silver. Number two, a great preservation of wealth, whether you want to realize your crypto gains, because some people ask me these things. They're like, Kian, what should I do with my crypto gains? You can either keep finding other plays in the DeFi space or in the crypto space, in the centralized exchanges, or you can transfer that value to something solid and something that will last into the future. And most importantly, something that is continuing to be undervalued. This week, I wanted to talk a little bit about exploring different blockchains as part of the educational segment. I've mentioned this before, but I think it's really worth repeating. It's so important that we continue to, if you are in the DeFi space, continue exploring different blockchains, right? So when we're trading Ethereum, when we're trading even Bitcoin now, Bitcoin has released some NFTs recently that are on-chain NFTs, which I thought is super cool. And those NFTs did extremely well because historic value, the first mover advantage, let's just say. And, when we're trading Ethereum, we are trading the network token. Much like in the stock market, this is an example I use, when you're trading Apple does all these things, but you are trading the company stock. And it's the same thing with Ethereum. There is an entire ecosystem of small to mid market cap gems, as well as NFTs, decentralized applications. And in the future, I foresee many social media platforms popping up. And it's worth exploring these ecosystems to get out of this mundane, centralized, flat 3D and move into the digital universe and into the revolution, which will not be centralized, and move into the digital renaissance and explore that for yourself. And I think it's worth noting, in this past week, I started diving deeper into the Avalanche ecosystem, the Avalanche blockchain. So I've been having a little fun with that. I do have a secret private Telegram group where I tell all the subscribers, I let them know which DeFi coins I am in. Again, low to mid market cap gems that I find. And definitely I've been finding some really cool plays on Avalanche. And so I'm going to continue to do that because there's just so many flavors. And like I said, different blockchains have different decentralized applications, NFTs, coins, you name it. So I think it's worth diversifying and checking it out. Plus, also, some of them have amazing transaction fees, low transaction fees, and very quick transaction speeds. So I think you guys should do that. It's almost like diversifying your portfolio, right? Except you're not just trading the network token. You're actually taking the network token, putting it in your Web3 wallet, and you're exploring all the things that that network has to offer. That is the end of this week's video, guys. I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. And I want to thank each and every single one of you who wished me a happy birthday. My birthday was this past Wednesday. So I just want to say thank you for all the birthday wishes and love. Please make sure you hit the thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. And please subscribe to my channel as we talk so much about crypto over there. And it's fun. It's fun. It's fun. And yeah, just you'll see once you go check it out. The link will be in the description below. And I will see you guys either on Monday for my daily crypto videos or next Saturday here on Greg's channel. Sending you guys so much love and wishing you just so much happiness as well. And of course, massive, massive prosperity and infinite abundance. You guys take care.